Do you love chocolate? So yummy, but where does it come from? Let's go to Ghana, a country in West Africa where cocoa beans grow on trees. Ghana's warm weather and rich soil help cocoa trees grow big and strong. Farmers carefully pick the cocoa pods, open them up, and dry the beans inside. Ghana makes 15–20% of the world's cocoa. That means it's the second largest cocoa producer on the planet. So next time you eat a piece of chocolate, thank a cocoa farmer in Ghana. Say it with me. Thank you, Ghana. Yay, Ghana. Yay, Ghana.